All right, today we're going to look at the shift key bypass, and the main reason we're doing this is because there's been times where I have made a database, I've done like shift key disable, and then I'm like, oh wait, I didn't make a way to actually re-enable that for myself so I can actually develop later. So this is for those scenarios, okay? Now, disclaimer here, this is a great way to break into databases, and it's very easy to do. So please don't do that. Don't open up databases and shift enable all the ones out there that you should not be an admin of, that you do not have any permissions to do so on. This is a security measure. So you bypassing this is bypassing security. You're breaking in, okay? All right. Anyway, so I have this database here and I've already shift key disabled it, and when I try to open it, I held shift there and it just opened to the startup page. And Control G is disabled, Alt F11 is disabled because the use special access keys option is turned off. So I can't even get to the code on this. It's pretty locked down as far as access databases go. So there's two methods in my article that I go over that I like to use to get into this. So I will sometimes use a database that I'm like controlling other databases with, or I'll use a VBS, a Visual Basic Script. So let me show you the other Microsoft Access database version. So if you look on the article, I have like a set of code here that you can just copy to your clipboard. Let's go and make a new database and put that code into a module. Let's go to the VBA, insert module, and here we go. Just going to copy the name, put it into the immediate window, and hit enter. And I forgot to edit the path. So let me get the path of that database. 1 second. All right. So here's the path. I actually got it correct now. And now we can run this. Done. All right. Close that out, and then we should be able to shift open this. Done. Okay. That was very fast. Honestly, the VBS option is like not even necessary, but I'm going to show you because sometimes it's nice to just have a file on hand that you can just double click and do this very, very quickly with. So the way to do it is you open a text document. I just use Notepad usually. Any text editor will do. So you're actually going to change the ending, the extension to .vbs, and open this in Notepad. And I'm going to copy the code for the VB script. And this is really all that's going on. It's very, very easy. So if you want to like enable or disable, you can use the booleans here, the true here, and the true here. Just change that to false to disable it. Super easy. All right. Now let me shift disable this database again real quick. I forgot about that. Now we have our VBS, our VB script, and it should re-enable shift key bypass. Done. Looks good. Oh, did it not work? Once again, I did not edit the location. Edit Notepad. Okay. All right, let me get the location again. Boom. Okay. Let's run that again. Done. There we go. See, it's really fast too. So sometimes if I have like a dev folder that I work in a database on, sometimes I'll just have a little script sitting here. I'll have one that's enable and one that is disable as well. And like I said, it's super easy to change that. You just put false on both those options. And now you can also disable it very easily. You can get rid of that message box if you want to. There, it's disabled again. So boom, I can just go back and forth. True, false, true, false, true, false. Super easy. Once again, I'm not responsible for anything that is not good that you do for this, okay? This is breaking in if you are not the actual admin of this database. All right, thank you for watching. Please let me know if there's any videos that you'd like me to cover. I have a lot more in the pipeline, but I really appreciate you watching and hope you guys have a good day. Thank you.